So we've got a table that shows the points received by the top 10 paintball teams at a tournament, and we're going to estimate how many points the 20th ranked team received. And so in order to do this, we're going to put this set of data into our calculator, use a linear regression to create the equation, and then we're going to use the equation to find what is called an extrapolation. An extrapolation is when you predict something outside your set of data. Since our data only goes from 1 to 10, predicting anything higher than 10 is extrapolation. If we predicted 1 through 10, that's interpolation, predicting within your set of data. So for example, if this set of data went from 1 to 10 but left out number 5, and our problem said, hey, predict what would have happened with number 5 since it's missing, that's interpolation. Extrapolation is predicting outside what we have. Okay, so I went ahead and put this into the calculator already. So if we go to stat edit, you can see the numbers are already in there for our 10 teams, and we're going to do a linear regression. So stat calc 4. Got L1 and L2 in there for our X and Y list. I'm going to store the equation in Y1, so vars, Y vars, function, Y1, and then calculate. So it does go ahead and give me the slope and y-intercept. I'm going to round to negative 3.32 for the A, and let's do 105.33 for the B. It wants me to predict what the 20th team would score. So I can just go ahead and go to the table on this calculator, second graph, and I can scroll down and see what the prediction would be for the 20th team, which is 39.03. So my answer is I predict they would score 39 points. Let's go back and put this out in mathematical terms though. So the linear regression on the calculator gives me y equals, and I'm going to estimate here, 3.32x plus 105.33. And this came from linear regression on the calculator. And then for the 20th ranked team, I would just take this linear regression equation and replace the x with 20. When I scrolled down to 20 in the table, that's what we were doing. The calculator was doing the math for us, but scrolling down to x equals 20, that's what it was. So I say I predict the 20th ranked team will receive about 39 points. I assume they cannot get fractions of a point at this tournament because none of the other teams did, so I assume we have to round to 39 points.